Hi, and welcome to YouTestMe GetCertified. This tutorial I will show you how to change and reset a password. First, you should navigate to your profile, either by accessing the account page from the users in the main menu, or by clicking on your picture in the top right corner of the application. Now that we arrived at your profile, we can see lots of options. The Information tab contains a side menu with 4 sub-tabs. Information about account, personal information, password settings, and attachments. From here, navigate to Password Settings to change a password. Now click on the Change Password button. Choose the creating method, which is manually or generated, and choose Password's date of expiry. A password must satisfy criteria defined above. If you, however, choose Generated Password, a new password will be sent to you by an email. To confirm your changes, click on the Save button. As an administrator, you can change password of any user in the system. To do that, simply navigate to User Profile, select a user, and then repeat the process. In case you forgot your password, you can reset it by clicking on the Forgot Your Password in the left corner. In the pop-up window, you should enter your username and an email address. Upon submitting, you will receive an email with your new system-generated password. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.